Welcome back, everyone. Today we are making an avocado chicken salad lettuce wrap. This is a great way to cut down on the calories from your normal salad dressing that you might use, and it is a tasty low-carb recipe. So let's go ahead and get started. Once we've added the avocado, we're going to go ahead and mash that up really well and mix in all of the ingredients just so we get a nice creamy paste that's well distributed. We get lots of flavor everywhere. And once we get done mixing this up really well, we'll go ahead and add in the rest of our ingredients. Right, once you have added your onion, your chicken, and your grapes here, we're going to go ahead and give this a nice stir. We want to get everything covered in that avocado paste that we made earlier. If you're looking for a little extra crunch in this wrap, you will have a lettuce wrap with it, but feel free to add extra onion or celery. Makes a great addition as well. It doesn't add a ton of flavor, but it does give that extra crispness in there. So you'll just want to keep mixing, like I said, until this is really well mixed. If you would like a full recipe of this, be sure to head over to the blog. We'll have a printable recipe on there, as well as the cost breakdown in 2019 and the nutritional information for one serving of this. So just keep mixing and then we will serve it up. All right, now that we have this mixed up, we're going to go ahead and take the outer leaves of a romaine head or other large leaf lettuce, and we'll go ahead and spoon mixture on there to make your wrap. Once you're done, you can kind of fold your wrap over and enjoy it. This does travel well. It doesn't get soggy. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing and leaving us a thumbs up. Thanks and have a wonderful day.